and nations shall know him. And may Mumias East begin to rise. May Mumias East begin to rise. Come on guys, agree with me by shouting amen. May young people in Mumias begin to rise. Millionaires shall come out of this place. People shall come out of this place. Let the presence of God come in this ground. And we cut off every covenant in Mumias East that kills young people at a young age. Tunapraywa watu wa young watu ingia kwa bodaboda. And Lord, I pray that this constituency let it be an example. When MPs want a template, let this be an example. Not just in terms of prayer, but even in terms of development. I want all of us to declare and say, Jesus. Come on, shout it, say Jesus. We surrender everything to you. Our constituency belongs to you. Give us wisdom. Come on, shout, give us wisdom. I thank you, Lord, because this is going to be done. We shall see Joseph's rising and Daniel's rising. Joseph alienda kwa Potiphar, akaambia Potiphar, I have a dream I need to live. You have a dream you want me to interpret.